With the launch of STK XPRT, Persistence is also introducing Superfluid LPing. By Superfluid LPing, you are now able to immediately LP your staked tokens without having to go through the hassle of unstaking first and so skipping the unbonding period. This means that you can now LP your staked XPRT into the STK XPRT pool on Dexter in one single transaction. But how do you do it? To Superfluid LP your XPRT on Dexter, start by going to app.dexter.zone. Connect the Cosmos wallet of your choice, where you have your staked XPRT tokens, and agree to the terms and conditions in order to proceed. Go to the Pools tab on top and look for the STK XPRT pool. At the bottom left, you can see the current APR this pool generates and get more info where the APR is coming from. Now scroll back to the top and click on Add Liquidity in order to Superfluid LP into the pool with a single transaction. You'll see there's a new section added to convert your staked XPRT into an LP position. If you don't see this, it means you don't have staked XPRT in this wallet. Click on the toggle next to Validator to see all your staked positions. Here you will find all the validators you are currently staking with. Note that if your validator is ineligible, this means he is not part of the current active set. If that is the case, you will have to redelegate your stake to another validator from the active set in order to proceed. If everything is okay, select the validator to Superfluid LP your staked XPRT with and fill in the amount you wish to LP. On the bottom, you will see how many LP tokens you will receive and what the price impact of your action will be. You can always choose to add more XPRT or STK XPRT to the pool that was not staked yet in order to change the price impact. Once you are happy with your input, click on Add Liquidity to proceed. Approve the transaction in your wallet. Wait for it to confirm. And done! You have now successfully Superfluid LP'd your staked XPRT in a single transaction.